Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. So we are going to do this one. I'm going to do another unboxing of this. The ones that they sent me the first time was extreme. Their sizing is extremely small. I was not informed of that. I watched other YouTubers trying to figure out, what size I should get. So I just got the normal size that I usually get in period underwear, and they were extremely too small. I had the same thing happen with an off-brand, so I was like, okay. So, alright. So we'll start off with the light one. Wait, this is the bikini. Hipster, amber bikini, high-waisted, jade. Okay, so they have the thong in the bag. So I got 2 sizes up. I don't know whether that's a good choice or a bad choice, but I figured I would go ahead and get 2 sizes up from what I normally get. And we're going to start with the light coverage. So this is the Olivia thong. I did get a 2X, and they might be a little too big, because the large did fit me. The extra large would have probably fit me in these. I wanted an extra large in these, and that's what I told them, but he sent me a 2X. So we'll try it on and see how it works. So that's the Olivia thong. Then we have the Jade Breathe. This one holds half a tampon's worth, the thong one. The Jade Breathe holds 4 tampons worth. $2X is huge to me. We'll see how they fit though. They just look really big. But we'll just have to see how they fit, I guess. The high-waisted, the Stella high-waisted holds 2 tampons worth. That's what they look like. My thing is I probably, even if these don't fit me, I probably won't return them this time, because I can use these if I happen to get pregnant. These are the amber bikini, and they hold 2 tampons worth, and I could use it for, that time. These actually do not look that big compared to the other ones. They may look huge to y'all, but they don't really look that big to me. It says 2 tampons worth on that one. This one holds, this is the Mia hip hugger. It holds also 2 tampons worth. Sorry, my husband's coming up our driveway. Just got home from work. So this is what it looks like. I've showed you all these before in another video, so I'm just kind of going pretty fast through this one. This one is the Olivia hip hugger. When was that one? The Maya. Okay, this one's the Olivia hip hugger. So that's what that one looks like. And then last time I got them, the thong was in the bag. This time, the bikini is in the bag. This to me means that somebody else tried this on, which is, I don't like that about the company. And it looks like this is an ode tag as well. Yeah, this is an odor style. Maybe. That's what it is. Because this has a tag where the other ones look like this. So that's kind of weird, because my other one did not look like that at all. Anyway, here is this. And and I will have to try these on and see how they are and let you know. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching.